Hi, it's Juris and welcome to Tattoo Shop Talk. And today I'm excited. Thanks to our friends at Barber DTS, I finally got delivery. Bishop Power Wand. This one is shader. I have not had shader before. I have Packer, which is pack, and liner. This one is third one from the family. I'm really interested how it works and what is the difference. And I got this delivered today, but I was waiting till evening so I can unbox it on camera and share those joys of unboxing with you. And one more time, thank you Barber DTS. If you haven't checked them out, link is in the video description. You can click different sort of extensions to see different currencies. There's UK for British pound. Check them out. They have a good selection of product. Free delivery above certain amount of money you spend there. They deliver pretty quick all over the Europe and without any of that Brexit mess. Okay, let's get this box undone. Only scissors I could find. We have like 7 of them in a shop and you can never find one. What just beeped? Nice branding. There's Bishop and Critical. So that's the collaborated machine with Critical batteries. Oh, already cut in the wrong side of the box. Good job, Juris. Good job. Should have cut at the bottom, cut in the top, and now I got this. Even the box is nice. Look, there's a little logo. Like always, attention to details. There's a serial number. Shader 3.5, power wand, and it comes in a bigger case than it does with just the wands, because there's probably more stuff in there. Why are you beeping? Again, little attention to detail. Logo, literature. Oh, that's what's beeping. I was pressing on a box. Sticker, sticker, sticker? Yes, sticker. Their little card, who build which part, how to lube them, and now there's a battery pack instruction, description, how to use, how to connect it to pedal, what means what, and description of the two machines themselves. Packer different color because it looks gold on here while it's this orangey brassy look on the old one. That we put aside. What's in the box? A lot of stuff. Charger. This time I got it for some reason this type of a plug, but that doesn't matter, we have a bunch of them. The charging station, it's magnetic and it has this non-slip surface, so that's really cool. And it comes with a little battery on a thing, and it's very minimalistic design. Bishop X Critical, and the same on bigger one that got turned on for some reason. And there's a little dot blinking, which means that it's on. Connection is in there, and that's also good news because that means that you can't put it by accident on some surface and it can short the battery out. How does it work? Magnets! My favorite thing on planet, magnets. It has these 2 O-rings and then it fits quite snug on. And is it a magnet? Feels like it is. And then this part can be rotated around, depends in what direction you work. Their awesome RCA cable, it's pretty decent stuff, not too heavy but well built. Regular USB to USB-C cable, a little bag of lube, remember to lube these machines. And then we have this part, which is sort of converter to make them work with RCA cable. So then you would stick just this thing on. It's this modular system, and then you can use it with a cable. Or if for some reason these batteries died, but you still have old ones, bam, you can do that. Or you can use it as a stand for your old battery, which looks pretty neat. And that's the travel case, sort of carrying case. Not crazy hard, but will protect your machines. And you will probably not throw them around like crazy. I want to see how do they work and what's the size difference. This is the small battery on a wand, the good old wand, and this is the new stuff. And we see there's a difference, kind of a bit more than size of the RCA connection, even a bit smaller. Oh, they also look a bit different. There's a branding up there. It says Critical B-Charge critical connect, and there's a growth that goes vertically on the side of a battery. So you can clearly see that it's a different one, and it sort of matches with the lines in a grip. And it's also with the branding, it's always that thing where you can see from a distance like, oh, this guy is working with new batteries. The small peel moment. Let's see. Boom. And same on this one. Boom. This charging station looks the same like previous one. And there's the USB-C connection that goes in there. I had a tattoo machine from other brand that was all this modular type of a system, and there was these contacts were exposed, and it was in a instruction said that don't put it on a metal surface because if it's on it can short it out. This is not an option in this situation, so you can put it whatever, and connection is hidden on inside. Put it on a charger, my favorite accessory. You see, it's magnetic. I don't have a plug around, but also what's the point to see how it's charging and how it feels when it's packed. That's what I wanted to compare as well. Let's do the quick and easy packing. Fits in a 60mm machine bag. There's so much bag left. You can also check out video on how I bag my tattoo machines, these ones. The video is somewhere up in a corner and also in the video description. This is just a quick packaging to see how it looks. This is not an example on how to do it. Obviously wear gloves and do all the jazz that is up to your standards. It's so small, it feels almost a bit awkward how small it looks and it feels. Oh, it shows a B charge logo. 23%, 6.5 volts. This one also have a kickstart when you start it. When you adjust needle length, you can follow with the screen as well, so when you work you know which way it's orientated. That's the bonus of this magnet type of a situation. I mean, you could do that also with regular batteries, but with some machines where screen is fixed on one side, that can get a bit annoying. And from what I have read, that this machine have a different motor. Packer and liner has same motor but different stroke length. This one has different motor and a shorter stroke, so this is 3.5. Should be softer. I don't know what I will use it on, but now I have all three of them and I have no excuse to, I guess, be better, become better, apart from me being lazy and not practicing enough. So now I have the whole family of Bishop tattoo machine. They should be also be able to connect to critical tattoo pedal, critical connect FS pedal. So let's see how that works. And that should be plus and minus together. It shows a Bluetooth symbol. Press plus. It starts to look for pedal. Beeped and it's working, and it shows a little letter C that it's connected on a top corner. Now it's in the mode when you tap it and it runs. If you want to swap in between modes and you want to work on that mode where you have to hold pedal down, then power button and plus button together. And it beeped, and then it shows bottom circle becomes like an empty one, and then you have to hold it and it blinks when it's running, and press again, power and plus. And then it changes to full circle, and that's how you can tell on which mode your battery is on. So excited to try it. I was trying all day not to open the box because I wanted to save it for a video, but I also couldn't wait to get my hands on this kit. So that would be comparison small battery on a regular one, and this is with this power one. This is how much difference it is. Weight wise it doesn't matter anymore because they are all super lightweight, so weight is not an issue. This one with the longer battery, power one with the bigger one, is still a bit shorter, half a centimeter maybe. Obviously I will update and I will have full review. This is kind of my unboxing video because I'm excited. There's all sorts of stuff, and I got a sticker and there's a cool box. Super excited about this product. And if for some reason you forgot to charge batteries or they die on you, you still have this unit, this module type of a thing. You can plug it in and work with RCA cable or with older batteries that are with the regular RCA connection. Cool. Barber DTS, thank you very much for providing products. For viewers, check Barber DTS out, their link is in the video description. I will work on this product and see what it can do to me and how it stacks up against the packer and the liner wand. A bit different form factor, but inside should be the same as from the previous series of wands. And now you leave your comments. What do you think about this product? What do you think about these modular systems? Where it's heading? What we will have in the future? So leave your thoughts in the comment section. Be nice and subscribe to the channel. Do all the cool stuff. Like video. And if you would like to be super awesome, then share it with your friends on your social networks, because that would help the channel. So subscribe, like and comment and share if you want to be super awesome. Check those tattoo machines out, links are in video description. Also in video description there's a bunch of playlists, so you can click through those and other links to some possibly useful stuff. Thank you for watching, see you in the future episodes, bye! Cool, stay safe.